If we have the expression 20 divided by 4 over 5 times 5 to the power of 2, then what is the simplest possible solution for this expression? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression may seem very simple, but almost everyone gets tricked. Let's break it down and solve it together. And the first step of solving this question, most people go straight to the exponent, which is 5 squared, and simplify the whole expression to 20 divided by 4 over 5 times 25. And the next step, they usually focus on the expression 4 over 5 times 25 because they believe multiplication has priority over division. As you can see in the image, they very easily cancel out 25 with the 5 in the denominator and write this expression as 20 divided by 20, which ultimately gives them the answer 1. And without any hesitation, they quickly say that the correct answer to this question is option A. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Alright, now let me explain step by step how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. And this rule, B stands for bracket, O stands for order, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We should proceed these operations exactly as it's written from top to bottom step by step. Alright, as you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have a division sign, then a multiplication sign, and finally exponent. According to the PEMDAS rule, we should start with the exponent, because in this question, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So, instead of the original expression, we can write 20 divided by 4 over 5 times 25. In the next step, we handle the division and multiplication. However, it's very important to note that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this situation, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move toward the right, performing these two operations in order. So, first we perform the division between 20 and 4 over 5. Okay, whenever we see a division sign between two terms, it's best to use the KCF rule. And this rule, K stands for keep the first number as it is, C stands for change the division sign to multiplication, and F stands for flip the second fraction. So, we remove the highlighted part and replace it with 20 multiplied by 5 over 4. Alright, as you can see in the image, the number 20 simplifies with the 4 in the denominator, and this expression simplifies to 25 multiplied by 25, which finally gives us the answer 625. Therefore, option D is the correct answer to this question.